Well, this is a version 8.1 prototype of Roo Commander. And so we've got Roo Commander, Project Manager, Task Executor, and Task Planner. And for the test I'm going to do now, probably won't even engage all of those, particularly because it's not very complicated to do a one-page website. So I just wanted to show it actually is working. So create a one-page landing page, HTML, CSS, just use visual effects and make it look amazing. Offer Roo code services. I don't know, whatever. Let's go. We're just going to do that. So pretty much edited, rewritten most of the files. Spent a good half a day with, probably nearly a whole night with Gemini, sorting it out. And I thought I'll just give it a go on DeepSeek. It's usually pretty good. So you'll see I made a Markdown-Driven Task Management folder because there's a locking kind of protection on the .roo folder, so adding files in there would flag a kind of permission warning. So now it uses that separate folder for sessions and task notes and things. But all the templates and stuff are in here, right? So got the main the main rules. So they're like the core rules. I don't know why it does that. I'm not sure if that's a Roo Commander thing or something, but or it might just be the slowness of the API. It kind of bails on the session view for some reason. It's still running though. So they're the core rules. So that's one about the TOML format, task management, session management, and the templates are simplified. So it's just those 5 folders, a lot less documentation. If you want to play around, I've made a file here that will help get Gemini like up and going if you want to work on the on like making your changes to it or whatever. Oh man, DeepSeek's slow today. Crikey. Let's stop it and use Gemini. It's ridiculous. I don't know why it's taking so long. I might just start it again with Gemini. Don't know. I don't think that was Roo Commander's fault. Let's get rid of the task file. Okay. We didn't get a task, no session. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to change it to Gemini 2.5 Flash. And Just make sure that's on the same. Yeah, okay. Cool. All right, let's do it now this way. Okay. I'll get rid of that. Go. Should be heaps faster this time. I pretty much used Flash to do all the work on Roo Commander this time. I just did it in the Gemini CLI. There we go. I know it's not as good as Claude, but Claude Sonnet is being useless and slow and timing out, even on Claude code. So I'm not even going to bother with that for this test. So you can see it's made the checklist. And we've got a session log as well. It's updated the session log to show that it's made the code task. All right, now we're off to the races with code mode. It's picked up its task file. Yeah, so it's picked up the task items and turned it into a to-do list. I've watched it do that a few times on other test runs and it seems fine, just picks it up. I'm not expecting anything super creative, but as long as it does the job and finishes it properly, that's what I'm after, just for a test. I can might do a more complicated test tomorrow. Just run out of time today. It's already 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, well, it's not going to review the page, but that's all right. It's probably going to complain now because it can't see the page. I haven't given it any MCP servers or anything, so. Cool. So if we have a look and see what it did. Is it finished? It's just marking it as done, I think. Yeah, task list didn't get marked as done, but the session log's updated. I put a log in there, entry, but it didn't update the actual tasks. Anyway, I'll have a look at that later, another time. So let me just skip over to yeah, I don't know. To be honest, it's better than I expected. Because, if this is temperature 0 for it's temperature 0, right, for Flash. So you don't expect it to be super creative. Yeah, temperature 0. It's all right. I'll have a look and see why it didn't mark the checklist off. I'm guessing because it used the to-do. So, yeah, anyway. Cool. And maybe that means this is not needed, I don't know. But the to-do list gets vaporized, right? So having that is a good record. Anyway, if you want to download download it and use it. So all you need to do if you just go to, if you're in Roo Commander, go to branches, and this is the 8.1, and download the zip file for the whole thing. There is a README file there, but pretty much just download the zip file, and you need to get the Roo folder. There should be this is the Roo modes file, and there should be a .mdtm folder, but it should get created automatically anyway. So yeah, that's it.